ABB is looking to use robots to support post-pandemic recovery and rebuilding. According to Reuters, the Swiss engineering company is working on projects that include using robots to install elevators for Switzerland's Schindler and the production of prefabricated homes. These ABB robots have also been used in building sites to weld together steel to strengthen buildings. Sami Attia, president of robotics and discrete automation at ABB, told Reuters,
"There is a perfect storm of high demand and the need for sustainable solutions, and also lack of people who are willing to work in this dangerous and dull work."
The company conducted a survey in Europe, China, and the United States and found that 81% of companies will be increasing their use of construction robots in the next decade. The automotive market is expected to grow 3 to 5% in the coming years, but according to Attia, the company expects a 20 to 30% growth per year.
It is, I would say, where automotive was 40 to 50 years ago,